add a little bit of spice.
Hi everyone, this is our product consists of different dimensions and measurement of ruler. You can use this by creating different plans and drawings.
Our multiple ruler is useful for your assignment templates that involves border, drawing, and accurate lining.
What are you waiting for? Get yours!